Good afternoon, Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today I have a belt cover. This is obviously aged. You've got some paint on the right hand side, it's chipping away. In the middle we have a section that we have sandblasted, and on the left hand side we have a section that has been vapor blasted. The abrasive used in both sandblasting and vapor blasting was glass bead. I wanted to show you the difference in the effect on the surface, but also I want to bring to you the difference in the surface roughness, as well as what it's going to look like once it's been powder coated or recoated. So please stay tuned. Give us a call if you have any questions. Like, subscribe, and follow our channel. You can call us at 828-202-5563 extension 103 for more information. Thank you so much.